Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Tech Karuna, and today we are going to explore how an artificial intelligence anime trend took over the world. Imagine Shah Rukh Khan as a Studio Ghibli character or the White House reimagined as a Miyazaki fantasy. Overnight, India's social media exploded with this AI anime trend. Let's break it down. Studio Ghibli is a renowned Japanese animation studio known for its beautifully crafted animated films, often featuring rich storytelling, stunning hand drawn art, and imaginative worlds. The studio was co founded by legendary directors Hayao Miyazaki and Isao Takahata. I hope I'm pronouncing them correctly. Their films often explore themes of nature, family, adventure, and the human spirit, blending fantasy with deep emotional storytelling. The unique animation style and heartwarming narratives have made Ghibli films beloved worldwide. Thanks to OpenAI's new GPT 4o, anyone can now transform ordinary photos into Studio Ghibli's iconic style. Soft pastels, dreamy landscapes, and characters that feel straight out of a Miyazaki film, from Bollywood scenes to viral memes. And guess what? Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg are now anime stars. But here's the kicker: India made it very local. The famous train scene from DDLJ, now a Ghibli adventure. Satyajit Ray's Pathet Panchali brought to life with anime charm. Even historical moments turned whimsical. And OpenAI servers couldn't handle the hype. They had to pause the access to everyone because everyone wanted it. Why this trend is blowing up? It's simple. AI meets nostalgia. You don't need to be an artist. Just upload a photo, add a prompt, and boom, you're in a Miyazaki world. It's creativity democratized. Even OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman is stunned. He has tweeted, but don't worry, free access is coming soon. I would like to say ChatGPT is permitting few images for everyone, and after that, it says wait for tomorrow to get more access. So, ready to turn your life into a Studio Ghibli film? Go to ChatGPT 4o and write the prompt to create a Ghibli style landscape. And here you go, you get a wonderful landscape, beautiful. Next, upload any image and ask ChatGPT to convert this image to a Ghibli style image. And voila, you got this done. So, in case if you have tried and you have got some AI creations done, drop your favorite AI creations below. And if you are obsessed with this trend, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech magic. So, try GPT-4o now. And if you like it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.